This question is very important towards your any competitive exams. Question is, a particle starting from rest has a constant acceleration of 4 meter per second square for 4 seconds. It then retards uniformly for next 8 seconds and come to rest. Average acceleration during the motion of the particles is how much? Your option is 4 meter per second square, option B is 0, option C is 8 meter per second square, option C is minus 4 meter per second square. So which one of these correct option we have to calculate. So if our question is particle starting from rest, that means initial velocity of the particle is 0. Okay, and constant acceleration means uniform acceleration 4 meter per second square. Acceleration remain constant for every second for 4 seconds. Okay, and retarded uniformly, the acceleration is equal to 4 seconds and your retardation is equal to minus 8 seconds. Then body come to rest, your final velocity will be 0. Now we have to calculate the average acceleration during the motion of the particle. Okay, so that means the initial velocity that is u equal to 0. So that means a particle starting from rest, that is starts from rest. So that's why the initial velocity is equal to 0. And your final velocity, okay, your final velocity, that is v, is equal to 0. So that means after 8 seconds body come to rest, that means comes to rest. That's why the final velocity is equal to 0. And we have to calculate the average acceleration, that means the total time. Total time is t. Total time means what? The time of acceleration plus time of retardation. So time of acceleration is equal to how much? 4 seconds. Time of acceleration is equal to 4 seconds. Your 4 seconds, that means acceleration and plus 8 seconds. Here 8 seconds, that means retardation. Okay, so this is called retardation. Okay, now total time equal to, so total time equal to 12 seconds. Okay, total time equal to 12 seconds. Now we have to calculate the average acceleration. So the average acceleration AVG means average acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Okay, divided by time. Time means total time. So in case of here, final is equal to 0, initial is equal to 0 and time is 12. So we get 0. So therefore the average acceleration over the entire duration is 0. So that means your correct answer is option B is correct. Okay, so पिला माने देखो ये क्वेश्चन केते इजी क्वेश्चन अछि, कोन अछि देखो क्वेश्चन पढिबा कोन अछि, ए पार्टिकल स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रेस्ट, ता माने बॉडी इनिशियली रेस्ट रे अछि, हैज कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन हो जे कांस्टेंट हो जे तार जो 4 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर देछि हला फॉर 4 सेकंड पई, त 4 सेकंड पई एक्सेलरेशन कांस्टेंट हो जे. इट देन रिटार्डेड, ता परे कोन जे यूनिफॉर्मली रिटार्डेड हो जे हला, रिटार्ड माने केते ना फॉर 8 सेकंड पई कोन जे फॉर नेक्स्ट 8 सेकंड पई यूनिफॉर्मली रिटार्डेड हो जे, आ बॉडी फाइनल वेलोसिटी कौन कम टू रेस्ट अच्छे मैंने फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 ही है। एवरेज एक्सेलरेशन ड्यूरिंग द मोशन ऑफ द पार्टिकल पचार तेना एवरेज एक्सेलरेशन पचार तेणु ये कौन हो देखो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 फाइनल वेलोसिटी भी 0 हो गला टोटल टाइम हूँ कौन ना 4 सेकेंड हूँ एक्सेलरेशन प्लस 8 सेकेंड हूँ रिटार्डेशन ताल टोटल टाइम तक मिसई देव के 12 सेकेंड है। एवरेज एक्सेलरेशन फॉर्मूला हूँ कौन v फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी डिवाइड बाय टोटल टाइम तेणु केते जो 0 हो ना नहीं तेणु ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। जदि वीडियो भल लगुच लाइक कर शेयर कर और सब्सक्राइब कर जमारू भूलनी। थैंक यू फॉर योर वाचिंग। थैंक यू।